everybody, welcome to Fun Fact. Today I just want to bring everybody to see very special wild edible fruit that you can survive if you are on the adventures or somewhere that you might need something to eat. So of course these are the very unique in some country that might not have this, but most of the Asian country we have a lot of this. They are edible and they got very beautiful flowers. We just pick them up. You can see the red cherry over there, right? Just pick them up and eat straight. Or good if you have some salt with you, just dip in the salt, gonna be better. But of course, even it's to eat by themselves, it's already great. And look at the beautiful flowers. More of the hotel, we just take this type of plant to grow for the decoration in the garden. But you look at this beautiful flowers down here. It's almost look like the rose, but it's not rose. Beautiful pink colors, red pinks. I'm sorry, but here different layers. They doesn't have that great smell, but a lot of flies come over to eat, to play around with this, and they have very special thing inside. Look like the noodles. The white, I mean the yellow viper over there, the yellow stick over there, that's identified that is the female flowers, and this identified the red one here identified to the male flowers that we use the pollens for them to create the seed inside for their breeding. And here look like the lipstick for the ladies. A lot of ladies love this. Beautiful lipsticks. This is the dry season, but in rainy season they have much more bigger size than this. It's okay, just pick them up and it's straight whenever you want. But it is beautiful. Some country they take this kind of plant for the home remedy, while we got no special treat. I mean that's very long years already. Long years, 100 years past, they used to take this root of plant to boil in the water to heal everything, that's improve the health. That is something that they can do back in the past. But look, very beautiful. Of course in rainy season they will have a lot and lot of flowers. You almost cannot see the leaf. Very attractive. Maybe a lot of butterflies, a lot of other flies come around and play on the flowers in rainy season. That's why some hotel or some garden they love to take this plant for the decoration. Right. The sun almost go down. You might can hear the sound of the little frog. This frog, the sound like you are hearing right now, mean when the sun almost go down, that's time they call their kids or call whatever they tell to tell the friends to get ready to the place. This type of frog they love to come out in the day and they don't like to come out at night. But the frog, the bullfrog, they love to come out at night. But that is very tiny, very small. We don't eat them, very small. But the scenery around is beautiful, very green. We loved it so much. The sun is gorgeous. Good to do the countryside for the sunset. We love it so much. And the rice over there getting yellow colors, almost get ready to harvest very soon, I guess. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe if you think that's your favorite. Thank you very much. Bye bye.